Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. So in this video, we're going to try to fix a TV monitor. So as you can see, I have a gloves here. So we will not fix bias files or bias image files. We're going to fix a TV monitor now. So the problem with this TV is there's a picture but there's no backlight on it. So we need to troubleshoot or to try to find out what is the cost or what's the problem, why it's not giving backlight. Okay, so we need to see if the problem is the backlight itself or the backlight driver. So without further ado guys, let's go into our workbench and let's try and start to troubleshoot this TV monitor. Let's go. Okay guys, so we are here now in our workbench. So this is the TV. It's a 32-inch TV. So the brand is GEEPAS. So that's the brand, GEEPAS. Okay. So the problem with this one is there's no backlight. So let's find out. So first, we will open the TV. We plug into the power outlet. So as you can see, we have now the indicator light. Okay, so let's try to turn on using our remote. Okay, turn it on. So here you go. As you can see, there's image but there is no backlight on it. So let's open this. We need to open this one and let's check inside what's the problem. Okay, so bubuksan muna natin to para makita natin ano yung problema. Okay, so let's unplug the power cord to the socket and we will open this one and all the screws we need to remove it and then let's see. Okay, yan. At yung kanyang power cord. Make sure guys no, na nakatanggal yung power cord sa main outlet. Okay. So, set aside muna natin to. Ayan, so ngayon, na-access na natin tong kanyang mainboard, no? So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is mag-check voltage tayo. Voltage checking tayo guys. Para makita natin kung ano yung may pumapasok ba na kuryente dito sa kanyang backlight driver. Ito kasi yung backlight driver niya guys, no? Mapapansin nyo. Okay, so ito yung backlight driver na dito. Okay, so ito yung wire papuntang backlight sa loob. So, kailangan natin i-check kung may voltahe tayong nakukuha din. Okay, so first thing, no, kuha natin multimeter natin. Okay, set natin ito voltage. Okay, so plug na natin ngayon. Okay, yun. So, meron tayong indicator light. So ngayon, pa-power on natin yung unit, no? So before powering on, so check muna natin body ground. So, okay, kung ilan yung voltahe na kukuha natin dito. Okay, so check tayo dito sa diode. So as you can see, meron tayong 36 volts, no? Okay, so ibig sabihin, yung ating backlight driver is working. So let's turn it on. Tingnan natin kung ano yung voltahe makukuha niya. On. So yun, nag-rise up into 100 and down. into 44 volts. Yeah, 44.6. So, ibig sabihin yung ating backlight driver is buo ito. So, wala tong problema. Okay. So, ito yung voltahe na papunta na sa kanyang backlight driver sa loob. So, yung kailangan testing natin ngayon dito guys is yung kanyang backlight itself, no? Kailangan natin tanggalin yung kanyang panel, itong panel, and para ma-access natin yung ilaw sa loob. So, tanggalin muna natin guys. So, unplug muna natin sa power. Yan. Okay. And side muna natin ito. Tanggalin muna natin yung main power niya. Para hindi tayo mahirapan. Okay. Yan. So, unang-unang gagawin natin guys, no, kailangan tanggalin natin yung tawag nito. Kailangan natin tanggalin yung kanyang mga frame, no? Itong frame sa itaas. Pero be careful tayo guys, no? Ako kasi yung ginagamit ko is yung manipis lang. Ito, na pang laptop. Or kung meron pa kayong mas manipis dito, much better. Pero ito sa akin, ito yung ginagamit ko at saka ano ko naman gamay ko naman. Okay, so we need to remove the frame first. Okay, but just be careful, no? Because while removing the frame, so that you will not accidentally broke this panel. Okay, so let's remove the frame. Remove it gently. Yan. Okay. On this side. So, we are removing the frame first. Easy. Slowly but surely. Okay. Okay. We remove it here. Also here on top. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So we're done removing the frame. Okay. So this is the exciting part, guys, no? So we need to be careful when removing the panel. Okay. Because this is very sensitive. Okay, so in order to do that, we need to lift it up first, but first I forgot to remove the screw. Okay, I forgot to remove the screw behind it for the DC to DC controller voltage stuff. So let me remove it first. Okay, we finally removed the connector. Let me spin it up. So, in technique of removing that, this one is we need to lift here at this angle. Lift it slowly until you get the fan. Yeah, like this. Naangat nyo na yan. So, go in the middle. You go here in the middle and then lift up from here in the middle. Okay, so pagtanggal natin to guys, no, ilagay ko muna sa isang lugar. So, okay, so we removed the panel itself. So now we need to remove this, the edge plastic, no, so that we can also remove the diffuser. Okay, yeah, so we remove all, no. Now it's time to remove the diffuser. Okay, we will remove it. Okay, so for this one, I will just put it here beside, and then as you can see, dito na ma-access na natin. Teka lang, lumabo. Lumabo yung screen, ha. Tanggalin na natin yung reflector, no. Ayan. So, natanggal na natin yung reflector. So, ito na nga siya guys, no? So, meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, meron siyang 10 LED strip. Okay, so titingnan natin ngayon kung ano yung saan nagka-problema dito. Aling strip ba? Okay. Kasi hindi natin alam eh. So, in order to do that, kailangan natin magtanggal or gumamit tayo ng LED tester. Tulad nito. No? I'm sure meron naman sa guys sa internet, no, sa mga YouTube, no, mga DIY. How to make a DIY backlight tester. So, check na lang sa YouTube guys, marami yan guys. Okay, so let's turn it. I will plug it here in our outlet. Okay. So this is the upper part and this is the bottom part. Yeah. Okay, so we need to test first. Let's turn it on. Okay. So we have here. So we will try, where is the positive? Positive here and negative in the other side. Okay, so let's test. Negative and positive. Okay guys, no? So nag-on. Lahat nag-ilaw, nag-on. Positive, negative. Okay guys, so all the lights is on. It's turning on, so there's no problem with this strip. So how about in this strip? Maybe the problem is here. Positive and negative. Okay. So the problem is with this strip. So dito yung problema guys, no? So we will check one by one. Positive. Negative. Okay, so it's turning on. There's a light. What about here? Okay, it's also turning on. What about here? Okay, so here it's good. What about here? Okay. So there's a problem with this one, this light. Okay, so may problema dyan. What about here? Wala. Okay, so may ilaw to guys, no? Okay to. Kaso ito yung wala. Wala. Okay, so ilan ba yung voltahe ng kada isang light? Meron siyang meron siyang 6 volts. Okay? So, kada isang light guys, merong 6 volts. 6 volts. Okay? Kita ba? So, dapat meron siyang 6 volts supply. Kada strip. Kada LED, I mean. Okay. So, sa ganitong sitwasyon guys, no? Pwede man natin tong lagyan, no? Ng mga LED strip. Pero kasi hindi ko ginagawa yon. I'm not doing it. Why? Because there will be a time pati ito lahat madadama ito, no? Kaya what I'm doing is if there's one LED strip not working, I'm changing all the strip. Okay? So para bago lahat. Kasi minsan kasi mga lifespan nila ito bumingay na to ngayon. Then again, after how many months, tapos yung iba na naman. So, much better, no? To change all the strip rather changing only one piece. Okay? So, this is a 6 volts. So, let me check here if I have. I think I have. This is this is a convex, no? A concave. Yeah, concave. Yeah, concave. Okay. So we need to replace this all the strip lights. So meron ako dito, no? Meron akong 6 volts din. Yeah. Kita ba sa camera? Wala ba ata? Yan, 6 volts LED. Okay. So, same siya, no? So, gagawin natin, no? Kailangan natin to baguhin, guys. Okay. So, tara. Tanggalin muna natin siya. Yung ginagawa ko kasi dito, guys, no? Minamarking ko na lang yung ano. Balik ko ulit itong reflector. Ganyan. Tapos minamarking ko lang. Kahit anong marking, pwede namang pencil yan. Or ballpen. Ano ang problema. Okay, so yun na guys. Limod natin ulit. Okay, so nandito na yung mga markings natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ito, okay. So, ilalagay lang natin dyan yung ating strip. Okay guys, so paglagay naman nito, no, ng strip light, because here, there is a screw, it will not fit from the markings. Okay, so we will just put it like, same like this. No? So, the connection with this one is, it is a series connection and not a parallel, no? So, madali lang to siya guys. Okay, so So ngayon, yung gagawin natin is, jumperan na lang natin siya guys. Wala akong jumper wire dito guys, naubusan ako, no? But, meron ako, ito. Itong wire na to guys, ito yung sa mga Cat6 cable, no? Na, ito, yung sa mga internet cable, para sa network, no? So, kinuha ko yung, isang wire doon. Tapos, kailangan natin tong soldering. Yan. On natin yung soldering ko. Okay. Turn on muna natin. Testing natin kada LED strip. Kung umiilaw. Okay. So, positive, negative. Okay, good. Positive, negative, good. 6 volts. Positive, negative. Okay. Positive, negative. Okay, good. Positive, negative. Positive, negative. Yan. So, okay yung ating mga LED strip guys, no? Tubig siya. Positive. Okay. So, good yung ating mga LED guys. So, ngayon, kailangan natin siyang hinangin or soldering natin siya dito sa kanyang mga test point. Okay. So, kailangan natin ng soldering iron and soldering lead. Okay. Ilagay muna natin guys. Okay, so meron na tayo. So ngayon, lalagyan na natin ng jumper. Jumperin na natin guys. Okay. So maganda dito guys kasi ito siya, coated siya, no? Kung mapapansin nyo, coated siya. Okay, so hindi siya magta-touch sa body ground. Okay, so ayan. So, na-connect na rin natin yung isang strip dito. Pero guys, no, kapag kinonnect natin yung nito, yung main nito, hindi yan iilaw guys. Bakit? Kasi meron pa tayong isang kailangang gawin. Okay? Meron pa tayong kailangang hinangin para mabuo ang ating circuit, no? So, itong dalawa dito, yung endpoint, ito, tsaka ito rin dito. Isa sa kanila dyan, pumili lang kayo isang banda dyan, dapat may connection yan sila para mabuo yung ating circuit, no? Kunyari, ito dito, nandito naman yung main, so dito na lang ako magko-connect. Ng positive dito, papunta dito is negative. Okay, para mabuo yung ating circuit. So, tara. Lalagyan natin. Positive. Yun. At connect natin dito sa negative, no? Yan. So, yan guys, buo na ating circuit, no? So, paano natin yan malalaman kapag gumana na siya, guys? Gagawin natin is, gagamitin natin ulit yung ating backlight tester, no? Okay. So, yan. Buo na yung ating circuit dito. So, dito tayo kukuha ngayon ng main niya. Negative at saka yung positive dito. Okay. So, connect lang natin. Turn on yung ating backlight tester. So, tara guys. Check natin kung umiilaw lahat. Okay. So, negative. And positive. Ayun. So, gumana na lahat guys, no? So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin is itatapping na lang natin siya dito sa ating main. Okay? Yun na yung ang kanyang main niya na supply. Tara. So, turn off. Kailangan na lang natin to putulin guys. Putulin na lang natin to. Tapos join na lang tayo ng panibago. Yan. So, hindi na natin to gagamitin guys, no? So, ito na. So, kuha tayo ng wire para pandugtong dito. So, ito pa rin gagamitin ko guys. Yung white orange, no? Ano to, mga excess na hindi na nagagamit. Kaya ito na lang ginamit ko kasi wala akong jumper wire na available. So, yung pula is yung positive. Okay, so soldering natin siya sa solid orange. Okay, so didikit na natin yung orange sa positive. Okay, tapos naman yung negative sa white orange. Okay, so yan guys, so kompleto na ng ating circuit, no? So ang gawin natin yan dito is cover na lang natin to ng ng electrical tape. Okay. Okay. Kung meron kayong ano, yung shrinkable tube, no? Much better yun. Kaso wala ako nun eh. Okay, so yung gagawin natin ngayon is connect na natin siya dito sa kanyang LED, no? Positive tsaka negative. Para sila na yung magsusupply. Tape na kaya natin to guys para hindi na magalaw, no? Good idea. So, i-untwist lang natin guys. Okay na guys, no? So, dito yung pula, yung positive, yung orange. Ngayon lang natin. Then, dagdag tayo ng soldering lead. Okay, at dito naman yung negative. Pag nagkabaliktad dyan guys, di yan mag-on guys. Di ilaw yung ating LED, no? So kailangan ano siya, positive, positive, negative, negative talaga. Okay, so ayan. Okay guys, so kompleto na yung ating circuit, no? So it's time para i-check na natin to, i-test na natin to. Okay, so yan. So ayan na guys, so nagawa na natin ang ating circuit, no? Series circuit ng ating LED backlight, no? Nitong unit na to. So yung ginawa natin, wala tayong makuha or mahanap na strip. Okay, so yung ginawa natin is bumili na lang ako ng cuttable kasi meron available is yung cuttable strip lang, no? Okay, so yung ganito yung gawa natin. Basta series guys, no? Pag positive, yung kabilang side dapat negative. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. At sa ibang strip naman, dapat nakakonect dito guys, no? Yung dalawa, dapat meron yung linya para merong perfect connection natin to. Okay? Tapos, positive from main and then negative din from main. Okay? So, ngayon guys, itetest natin, no? So, pwede naman natin itong itest, no? Kahit na wala tayong panel dito. Para makita lang natin na gumagana yung kanyang backlight. Okay. So, tara. Ito. Ganahin ko lang yung kanyang power. Okay. So, baliktad na rin natin ulit. Yeah. Okay, so paganahin natin yun guys, no? And plug the power, plug yung switch, and kita nyo, meron tayong indicator light dito. And it's time to power on the unit. On. At yun na guys, then gumana na ang ating LED strip. Oh my god, hindi nyo makita. Hindi nyo makita guys. Basta gumagana na yung ating LED strip guys. Lahat yan. Okay, teka lang. I-assemble ko na lang ngayon para makita natin kung may picture. Backlight na yung picture ng screen. Okay? So ngayon, i-assemble ko na lahat. So magagamit tayo ulit ng gloves kasi para iwas sa fingerprints. Okay. So, before doing that, remove muna natin yung power. Tapos lagyan muna natin ng mga tape, no? Yung mga area. Okay, so lagay na natin ang ating reflector. Then, ayan. Ayan ang ating reflector. Nakalagay na. Diffuser, ano ba tawag dito? Reflector, di ba? Kung daw nagtatamali. Okay. Then, lagay na natin ang ating diffuser. Okay. Yan. Yan. Okay. So, ikabit na natin yung ating tawag nito. Ating frame. May nakalagay naman yan B bottom. Okay. Okay, so kakabit ko na yung frame. Yung frame. So let's put back the frame. Okay, so baliktad pa. Okay. So when putting back the frame, you need also to be careful. Take it easy. Huwag magmadali. Don't rush yourself. Okay, just press it gently here. Okay, let's turn it back. We need to ano muna nito, to see to it that it's properly seated, no, because this is so sensitive. Take the screw, put back the screw. Okay. Okay, then plug the LVDS connector. Okay. So now we're going to test this one, and let's see if may backlight na. There's a backlight. And picture. Okay, so let's plug the power. Okay, so as you can see, we have the indicator light here. Okay, so let's press the power button. Okay, pressing the power button, Taran! And we have backlight. So all good now. Okay. Okay, so we have this Wisdom Share Smart Cloud TV. Okay, so okay na yung unit natin guys, no? So what we need to do is we need to fit the frame here. Okay, and then yeah, so good now. So let's start it off first. Yan. And then let's fix the back. Okay, so now we're going to fix the power. Remove my gloves again. Put the power back on. Connect the speaker. Connect the power. And connect the for the volume. Mahirap ikabit. It's better to remove first this. Yeah, this one is removable. Okay. Yeah, so it's stick back again. So we are almost done here. Yun. Okay. So put back all the screw again. And then we will test it one more time before calling our customer that the TV is now fixed. Okay, so we are done guys. Okay, so let's power it on again and let's see. This is a curve type guys, curve type. Okay, so let's turn it on again. Okay, indicator light are present and turn it on. It's on. Then, charan! We have backlight on the screen. Okay. Now it's all working. Nice. Okay, guys. So that's it for today. And yeah, we finally fixed the problem with this TV. Okay. So let me close this one, and this is fixed now. So yun guys, maraming salamat guys sa panonood, at sana nag-enjoy kayo. And kung nakatulong tong video na ito sa inyo guys, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if this helped you. And I hope to see you soon again or in another video on another vlog. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and may God bless you all. Thank you.